Hey everyone, today we're talking about drawing heads, possibly one of the most complex and sometimes frustrating things for artists to understand and master. But it's why I love using the box method, because it helps me work out complex head shapes and especially complex head angles in perspective. Now I've created a free tool at rubenlara.com/skull, and it helps you visualize in 3D space what this box method approach looks like. Essentially, if you can create a cube shape in perspective, and if you learn a few basic measurements to break it down, you can now overlay different landmarks and contours that are easy to remember so that you can use them on the fly in your drawings. Here's a little sample of what it looks like. You create a box shape in perspective, break it down into a couple of simple proportions, add some landmarks, throw some contours in, and what you end up with is essentially a scaffold that you can lay your creative vision on top of. Now this works for realistic head shapes, cartoon shapes, and is really adaptable to any artist style. So if you're interested in learning this very simple method, which has helped me tons over the years, make sure to go check out my 1-hour course on what ultimately becomes a foolproof method for learning how to draw inventive heads. I talk about how to take advantage of this skull in a box tool. We do a bunch of demos. We're going to do some overlays on top of photography and really just learn to celebrate, identify, and see the patterns in the huge amount of diversity that exists when drawing human heads. I know you won't regret it. If you want to level up in your ability to draw heads and just be a little bit more inventive and free in your character drawing, then make sure to go check out that course at rubenlara.com/heads. All right, I hope that was helpful, and until next time, happy drawing.